What is the Producer Price Index, PPI, and why does it matter? Imagine trying to guess what prices will be at the store next month. One way to do that is by looking at what producers are charging for their goods today. The Producer Price Index, or PPI, is a number that shows how much prices at the production level are changing over time. It tracks the average change in selling prices that domestic producers receive for their goods and services. This includes everything from raw materials like oil and metals to finished products like cars and clothing. The PPI covers many industries, including manufacturing, farming, mining, energy, and even some service sectors. It looks at prices at different stages of making products, from raw materials to finished goods sold to wholesalers or retailers. Why is this important? Because changes in the PPI can give us a heads up about future inflation. If producers are paying more for raw materials, they might raise their prices to cover costs. Those higher prices can eventually reach consumers at the store. So, the PPI acts like an early warning system for inflation. Policymakers, economists, and investors watch it closely to see if prices are rising or falling. It also helps businesses decide how to price their products and plan for future costs. The PPI is different from the Consumer Price Index, which measures what households pay for goods and services. Together, they give a full picture of inflation in the economy. When the PPI rises steadily, it often means consumer prices might go up soon. If it falls, it can signal weaker demand or excess supply. Central banks use the PPI to help decide whether to raise or lower interest rates to keep inflation in check. For businesses, understanding the PPI helps in setting prices and managing costs. Overall, the Producer Price Index is a key tool that shows how much prices are changing at the source of production. It helps predict what might happen to prices at the store and guides economic decisions for governments and companies alike.